Okay, so I went outside to go walk the dogs, right? And Amazon just got here. And someone sent them a package. So we're gonna, oh, look at them. Look at them. So, I already kind of tore it open when I seen it. And how was it? You wanna be in the video? No. Okay, so here's like the little Tempur-Pedic part. And here's the cover, I guess. Okay, so here, oh, here's another. Oh, this is big. This is gonna be good for both of them to have for a while. Oh, whoever gets them is gonna be so happy. This thing is massive. Oh my god. Okay, and here's the cover, and it's really fuzzy. Oh yeah, it's definitely the cover. Okay. Okay, so it has the zipper. And we just shove it in there. And zip it. All the way, oh. Go. What is that? Come on. Oh. Come on. Right there. There you go. There you go. My sister needs to get on it. Come lay down. Come on. Little attention seeker. Oh, come on, big girl. There you go. Say thank you. Say I like it. Look at y'all.